To use Walmart Plus for gas at Sam's Club, start by ensuring you have an active Walmart Plus membership. This membership program offers various benefits, including discounts on gas purchases. First, download the Walmart app on your mobile device if you haven't already. This app will be essential in accessing your Walmart Plus membership benefits, including gas discounts. Once you have the app, locate a Sam's Club fuel center that participates in the Walmart Plus program. You can find participating locations through the Walmart app or the Sam's Club website. Before filling up, open the Walmart app and sign into your account. Navigate to the Services section and select the Fuel Discounts option. This will guide you through the process of redeeming your gas discount. At the Sam's Club Fuel Center, insert your payment card and select your fuel type. Then, on the payment terminal, select the option to use a digital coupon or discount. This is where you will redeem your Walmart Plus gas discount. The discount will be applied to your purchase, and you will see the savings reflected on the terminal. Complete the payment process, and you will receive a receipt confirming your transaction and the discount applied. It's essential to note that the Walmart Plus gas discount can only be used at participating Sam's Club fuel centers and is limited to a certain number of gallons per purchase. Additionally, the discount amount may vary depending on your location and the current fuel prices. To maximize your savings, consider combining your Walmart Plus gas discount with other rewards programs or credit cards that offer fuel rewards. This can help you save even more on your gas purchases. By following these steps, you can easily use your Walmart Plus membership to save on gas at Sam's Club. Remember to always check the Walmart app for updates on participating locations and any changes to the program.